a couple of you may have seen before because I did it in Cleveland once before. But a lot of my stuff has a lot of people in it, or there's a lot of technology, and this one also, it's simple, but it's also, I need to do this piece every once in a while. It's kind of a cathartic piece to me, and I haven't done it myself for about a year, so. This is called A-Rain-Ment. I give you a man. I give you a man to end all men. I give you the first man. I give you the last man. I give you the future. I give you the past man. This is a man at the end of men. Na 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 ni na na ne nu na amen. Ne nu na ni na 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 amen. This is a man at the end.
Song for Noah. This is a
song for Noah. This is a song for Noah. This is a song for Noah. This is a song for Noah. This is a song for Noah.
And God says, make thee an ark of gopher wood.
Room shalt thou
hug per yard, diddle double hug. 8 Panador double working single hug per yard, diddle double hug. 6 Panadors frame as a 3/4 quarter round line, then single hug per yard, diddle double hug. 8 Panadors 3/4 quarter yard line, then single hug per yard, diddle double hug. 6 Panadors there 2 wins a thick cat line, then common and single hug per yard, diddle double hug. 8 Panadors there 2 wins a thick cat line, then common and single hug per yard, diddle double hug. 8 Panadors there 2 wins a thick cat line, then common and single hug per yard, diddle double hug. And it's great with an Ogiamolo, and per yard, and if reified with the paint hollow, and per yard, and such doors are lined in the rabbit, and per yard, and if such doors are arched or otherwise uncommon, add in proportion to the labor. And Noah says, oh, and Noah goes, and Noah goes, when it rains, it pours. Now, you know, Noah had an ark, and there were 3 stories, an upper, a middle, and a lower. And Noah also had 3 sons, an older, a middle, and a younger. And so every story had a son, and every son had a story to tell. And the stories go like this on the ark there.
One day on the ark, one night on the ark, 2 days on the ark, 2 nights on the ark, 3 days on the ark, 3 nights on the ark, 4 days on the ark, 4 nights on the ark. On the ark, 4 nights on the ark, 5 days on the ark, 5 nights on the ark, 6 days on the ark, 6 nights on the ark, 7 days on the ark,
So Shem
7 nights on
comes
the ark,
into the ark,
8 days on the ark,
and 7 cranes
8
surround
days on
him,
the ark,
and 7 cocks
9
confound
days
him,
on the ark,
and 7 snakes have
9
bound
nights
him.
on the
And
ark,
Shem
10
says,
days on the ark,
desiccation,
10 nights on
a
the ark,
freighter and a shock,
11 days on the ark,
desiccation.
11 nights
We were
on the
chained in
ark,
the galley.
12
We had
days
a
on the
whole
ark,
fucking ocean underneath us, and we hadn't had water
13
in
days on the ark,
days. Now,
13 nights on the
I don't
ark,
row no rowboat, and I don't deal no jewels, and I never been to Malibu, but I can Marco Polo too. Just twist around in your chains. Just drill a hole when it rains. Just start your mind however you're doing. You can Marco Polo too. So Ham comes into the ark, and 7 wolves upset him, and 7 bats bloodlet him, and 7 dragons net him, and Ham says, desiccation, a traitor and a shock, desiccation. We were trapped under the crossbeam, 12 degrees on the Richter scale, and it didn't shake a drop from the pail. Now, I don't fly no Learjet, and I don't stock no silk, and I've never been to Kyushu, but I can Marco Polo too. Just turn your eyes into planes. Just gear them up and it rains. Just start your mind however you're doing. You can Marco Polo too, and you can Marco Polo too, and I can Marco Polo too, and you can Marco Polo too, and I can Marco Polo too.
On the ark, 27 nights on the
There
ark,
we go. So
8
Japheth
days on the ark,
comes into the ark,
8 nights on the ark,
and 7 cranes divide him, and 7 crows behind him, and 7 horses ride him, and Japheth says, desiccation. A satyr in the flock, desiccation. We were trapped under the crossbeam, 12 degrees on the Richter scale, and it didn't shake a drop from the pail. Now, I don't pack no